So what will this attribute do? At the absolute attribute, we just have what to do. As we know, add is an outdated function. We just decorate the absolute attribute to before add function, so it will give a warning. It is giving a warning. The problem was that it is giving a warning. What warning it is giving? Let's see the warning. So for that I have to build the function. I have built the function, and if you see, when I build the function, I'll zoom it for you. It will giving a warning. Now it is giving a one warning. That is what was the warning? The warning was the previous one. That is calculator add int is absolute. Actually, it is giving a system generated warning, but it is not so good for developer, because absolute is a keyword. A developer or a technical person know that it is a keyword. Yes, it is giving a warning, but the message is not so clear. To make the message clear, we have to customize the attribute. We have to give this message in a different way. So we have to give a warning stated that they have to use another function. They don't have to use this function. They have to use another function for that. So we will customize this function. For customizing this function, we will use different constructors. So absolute has three types of constructor. We have to generate a message here. So we'll customize this function. So obviously, when I use a bracket, it will say absolute attribute. Absolute attribute has three. They have three constructors. One of three. The first one is showing. The first one is we will just generate a simple message. Okay, that is a string message. The string is anything what we want to display as a message. Okay, so we will display a message. The second one was, so go to the definition and just discussing this in bit depth. Actually, it is we will see. There is one more point. When we see the definition, it will showing an absolute attribute. It was showing an absolute attribute with three constructors. First is a default constructor. Second constructor is a constructor with a string message, and third one is also with a error, boolean error. So it is giving absolute. The class is absolute attribute. But what we are using? We are using, and this class using an attribute, obviously attribute class. So what we are using actually? But we are writing only absolute. We are writing only keyword, that is only absolute. We are not writing absolute attribute. So when we go back and see, actually we can write absolute, or we can also write absolute attribute. Attribute is optional. So I'm going for the so what I have to do, I just copying this to see the to tell that this function is the new one. We're using the second constructor, that with a string function. So double quotes, I'm using this and writing use the function math, double comma, noted comma, then bracket. Okay, now you see that it will become different. We have to rebuild it, and again I have rebuilt the function. Now it will giving a different warning. It will giving a different warning. It will giving a warning that is add numbers int is absolute. So this is the way we can customize the attribute, and this is the basic first one. This is the use of absolute attribute. The basic use of attribute, we can use it in more different ways, but this is we have a limited time of a lecture, so I'm giving a simple example. I have given a simple example of attribute. So that's it for all. That's it for today. Thank you.